Alright, so today I'm going to do a little bit of a kind of a tool review. I don't know if you can see me or not, I can't see my screen. I bought this off of eBay. It's just a little injection cleaning kit. It's used to kind of manually clean fuel injectors. Comes with two different power cords. You just gotta pick which one you want. I've already opened this, so that's why it's showing like that. But basically you hook it up to your fuel injector like this. Hook it up to a battery. That's why I'm next to the car here. I'm going to get this hooked up. And what I was doing is I would just simply kind of tap it so you can hear it. You can't really hear this one. This one I think is actually one of my bad ones. Sorry about that. I know this one's good, so we'll do this one instead. So it's only got a little bit of lead, so you kind of got to be close to whatever you're dealing with. So you can hear it activating. So what we're going to do here is I've got my just regular carburetor cleaner. Pop the top off there. There's two different sizes for the fuel injectors. They got different size holes right there to where they fit on this better. And basically you just kind of set this up kind of like so. And you gotta hold it this way because it is quite a bit of pressure. And when I did this as a demonstration, I had another bucket here to kind of help hold it because you're having to push against it. So something kind of set up like that is what I did. Stick it on there, and then you come up. What I was doing is I wasn't pressurizing until I've already started activating it like this. And you just kind of keep activating it. I get sprayed in the face with car cleaner. Now that one's done. All cleaned. They say you can do both ways. I've only been able to get it to go the one direction, the proper way. Does kind of make a mess, so just kind of gotta watch what you're doing. And as you can see, that's how it looks when it's done. Nothing special. Alright, just a little quick tutorial on how to use these. They're very simple. The biggest thing is, from what I've been told, you don't want to just take and plug in the injector, hook up the cable, and then run it. You want to kind of pulse it, because if you just run it, then you can actually overheat the injector and cause the coil to go bad on the inside. So, do it in little spurts, you know, and keep in mind I have blown the injectors off just as you saw. It did kind of spray me a little bit, so always wear whatever PPE you feel you need. Alright, so that's going to be that for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.